Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today you can already see I have another review from Amazon, and this is a gel LED light. This is I think it was $19.99, so it's really affordable. And yeah, I'm just gonna unbox it and tell you guys about it. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to put the name of the company that sent this to me below or somewhere in here. But they sent me this LED gel lamp. And as you can see, it's 120 watts right there. And let's see, I'm going to read some of the stuff on the box. So the features are sunshine nails, comfort, eye contact, relieve burning sensation, double light source, LED to cure the UV gel builder / LED gel. It says 42 pieces, strategy placed LED lights, no dead zone, no free. So yeah, and the model is Sun S9, and the dimension is 245 mm by 212 mm by 120 mm. So let's just open it to see what's inside. Alright, so when you open it, this is how it looks. And it has the bubble wrap around it. So I'm just gonna pull it out. So to me, it's definitely bigger than it looked on the picture. Inside you have the plug-in and then the instruction manual. You just pull it out and bam, so you can just pick it up and take it wherever you need to take it. Now I need to buy some gel nail polish, but I'll probably get some off Amazon or something, you know. But this is how it looks in the inside. It's plenty big enough for your nails. And this is an at-home one, so yeah, it's super light. Now right here it has Sun S9 120 watt nail lamp, and then it has 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 99 seconds right there. So that's pretty cool. Oh, it's really light. I feel like I'm gonna break it, but it comes with the plug-in, and so you know, with the plug-in, it's super easy. You know, I'm gonna show you guys how to put it together, but it's super easy. What you're gonna do is just plug it into the back, plug this into your outlet, and then set however many seconds you want it to. I love how big it is. Y'all, I did not expect it to be this big. Really, if you wanted to do gel nail polish, if you want to do gel nail polish on your toes, you can definitely stick your feet in here. You might want to clean it afterwards, but you can definitely stick your toes in here and let that gel polish marinate and, you know, work good for you. So, is that all I have to say? That's all I have to say for this particular product. The shipping was really nice. Good communication. Oh, and also, I don't know if you guys can see that, but once you turn it on, it's going to start counting down, so that and then it'll go off once you have reached, say, your 10 seconds, 30 seconds, whatever it is. But this is the product, y'all. Super affordable. I love reviewing affordable stuff because, girl, save your coins, period. So like I said, this is $19.99 on Amazon. Really light. I like it and everything. So yeah, that's basically it for this review. I just wanted to come on here and do that quick review for y'all. I hope you guys like it. So yeah, go ahead and purchase it. I will list the link to this below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.